would you like for dinner tomorrow night? You always want chicken, but I can't give it to you. What would you like for tomorrow? Chicken. But you can't have it. You don't have enough teeth to chew it. I do too. I have 3 teeth.
Okay, so this is like a giant project. Like, we're taking this slowly, but it's massive. There's a lot of people, a lot of materials, a lot of contractors to like work with. We have temporary tenants that we have to like move around, move in place, shuffle a bit. That way they're not like in the way of like demolition and things like that. Building department, prices, banks. There's like so many steps to this that we're learning so much about. It's pretty intense. Actually, we just had a conversation about solar and the transformers that need to be upgraded inside this room. It's so intense, but it's worth it because then we have like a space like this, which is like the dance studio. Have you seen the dance studio inside?
I haven't seen it all done. I get a shot of this.
They are. I have the keys. I want to show you real quick.
My below. My bass low. My below. I ride low. My below.
Oh, that's dope.
Yeah, isn't that dope? Isn't that dope? I helped them design the space, but they had it all figured out. You know what I mean? Like they already had like the idea that they wanted to put like a container office, like their light set up. So technically I'd like design the space for them, but really like it was just a matter of like documentation for like permitting, you know? So, like,
Yeah.
They had the idea for where things are gonna go, how it's gonna be decorated. I was just used like a piece of meat. No, they did a great job. They killed it.
Yeah, this is cool.
So we got some contractors here to finish up 2 suites, the spot behind the dance studio space and the spot next to the dance studio space. That way we could finish like this corner of the building officially. At the same time, we started going ahead on the other corner of the building to get that like prepped. That way this summer we can like pop in some windows, you know?
Yeah.
It's pretty exciting stuff.
So what's like your projected completion date for the whole building?
Honestly, it's so hard to see that far in the future.
Yeah.
Like, but I would say this year's goal is to finish Bucklin Street. You know what I mean? If I can break it out into that segment, so storefronts by the end of the year on Bucklin Street, fully operational, exterior all set, and then we're hoping that we have the infrastructure in place for solar panels on the roof, and all the footing and foundation work that we need for the other side of the buildings. Because there's still like a lot to do for sure, you know. But 2022 is exciting because at least if we do Bucklin, then that gives us another 4 units, another 4 like stores, businesses that move into the city, move into this neighborhood. So this is the exciting stuff. This is behind the tenants, obviously. So we have a couple of units, a lot of new walls coming up, 14 feet high. Really exciting stuff. But we finally have walls, and it's so funny. It's like it's hard to appreciate this stuff. I feel like you got to see like the before aspect of that. But man, we're really excited. This right here, I want to say it's a little under 900 square feet. 14-foot ceilings, right behind the dance studio.
Who's renting this?
It is available sometime this year, because we're going to use it as a staging area for the sprinkler system.
Yeah.
All the pipe work, all the fittings, it needs to stay like in a secure space. So once these these guys are done, I'm gonna empty it out and have that available for, all the plate ring and stuff like that for them, so. Let's go. So, this is the Bucklin Bellevue corner. So we're hoping we could do like a restaurant that could probably stay late, whatever, open up and whatnot. And so it's a little small, but check it out. I think it's super like unique as well. Tall ceilings again. Everybody has like 14, 15-foot ceilings. Cool like brick like character in this setup. This wall's coming down, but like all of this is gonna be opened up, like nice and tall glass windows. It's just gonna be so sweet, so sweet. But can't you imagine like a little like countertop selling food, like a Subway or something like something quick, And then this will be, maybe this will be opened up, so maybe you have the kitchen back here. It's intense. It's intense. Yeah, we are really excited. Another view of the windows. These windows they're 8 foot wide, about 8 foot tall. We do black frame windows, a lot of exposure, a lot of natural light coming in. And then, yeah, man, we're just hoping for a really like cohesive like community here. So who knows how this tenant is gonna set it up? Whether they're gonna put the kitchen back there or if it'll be all open. There's a basement down here too. Like, you can see where we can punch this out. We already started trying in the wall just to make sure that it's not load bearing. But we'll start to remove that brick. Yeah, dude. It's intense, right?
Yeah, it's great. It's a lot of stuff to do.
It's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff. I was with my son, and he was like, I was with him this morning, and so he was just like bored as I was talking to people and talking to contractors. He was just scuffing at my shoes, just like stepping on my shoes. Ooh. Like, man. Yeah, it's been a while, man. So we got a lot of things going on. I'll bring you back around this side because we have a lot of construction happening in the front corner. But I got these guys doing some demo over here now, so you can see that. You want to walk through or not? Yeah.
That's fine. Hold on. Let me see if I can.
So this wall, we're redoing it. It's not insulated. It's not the right demising wall. It's not the right size. We want to make sure it's nice and like done right, nice and solid. So we're taking it down to bare floor, and then we're gonna put a new like 6-inch stud, insulated drywall, 5/8 sheet rock on both sides, just to make sure it's legit, So we got Bucklin Street. This will be the front door, right here. It'll be pushed back, and then this will be a P Street, right around there. So it's pretty. It's gonna be so legit. Like once there's actually like windows in here. Oh.
This is all gonna be window.
Windows, yeah, windows.
Yeah, that's sick.
Yeah. So legit. So this wall is gonna come down. There'll be some sort of kitchen of some sort in the back, a little staircase to the basement, and then we're good to go. So hopefully this spring, this summer, we'll be able to talk about it. We'll be able to post it for lease.
Chicken, but I can't give it to you. What would you like for tomorrow? Chicken.
Oh, into the light.
here